Okay guys, welcome once again to Build with Mr. Lee. In this tutorial, we're going to be looking at how to fund the user's wallet using Paystack. Paystack is one of the payment gateway, one of the biggest or largest African payment gateway. So we'll be looking at how we can integrate it in our Laravel web application today. So let's get right into it. So here at my project, I'm using this project called Roll App. I've been able to launch a project with a port 8081. So let's check the web page. So as you can see here, the web page has been launched. Let's go to the registration page because that's where the magic is to be done. So on this open account, and check your register. You have first name, last name, email, password, and all that. So let's go to the controller that handles the registration. So on your VS Code, you check register user controller. Yeah. Now the register user controller, you can see the validate first name and all that. You create the username, the user. But now, once a user is created, we want this user to have a wallet automatically. We want each user that is created to have a wallet. So on that wallet, that's where the money will be deposited once the user make a payment from our payment gateway we are going to be using or integrating. So on this place, we're going to create a new kind of model, and the model will have a wallet. So possibly I will be creating two kind of wallets. One is Naira wallet, and the other one is possibly if I want to add other wallets, like possibly a cryptocurrency wallet. So but majorly where this payment is going to be going to is the Naira wallet, but I just want to show you in case you want to do something like that. So let's go Control Shift P, PHP artist, and make model. So we give the model name, which is wallet. And do you want this wallet to have a resource controller? No. Migration and all that? No. Do you want it to have a migration? Yes. Do you want it to have a factory? No. Do you want to have a controller? Yes, I might need a controller, and it must let it be a basic controller. So if you just observed, instead of typing the code on this VS Code terminal, I use Control Shift P, and this is made possible because I have Laravel extension pack installed. So if you want to enjoy that fast method of doing this, just install the package. So back to what we're doing. So all this stuff has been created. This is the mod, the controller, the wallet has been created. So instead of creating this name here, let's use a foreign key. Normally, if you want to include a foreign key, possibly use that foreign ID, but this case I'll just use an integer, and this will be the user ID. And the next field here we are going to include is our integer again. So we are going to be including the currency type ID. So which currency type do you want? Then here we're going to be including the balance. So let me use a double for the balance. So by default, the double for each user is 0, so the user doesn't have any money on his wallet. Now this currency type ID indicates what type of wallet you're creating for the user, whether it's a Naira wallet or possibly you want to include a coin wallet or something. That's left for you. So I'll show you how to integrate this. So let's go back to the register user. So once the user has finished registering, you're going to create a wallet for the user. Now one thing we are going to do here is we are going to go to the model, the user model, and I'm going to create just one wallet now, a relationship. So each user has a particular, I'm going to use the has one relationship, has one, let me call it Naira wallet, has one Naira wallet. We use the wallet model. Then we're going to be, we import has one. We're going to be using this condition where currency underscore type underscore id is equal to 1. So it means the currency type for Naira wallet is 1. So if you want to define other ones, you can actually do. So let's say you want to do here, instead of this you can see coin wallet. So in the coin wallet you can change the currency type to 2. So the user has Naira wallet, has coin wallet, that's left for you. But currently I'm concentrating on the Naira wallet. So once the user is registered, then I can now say user Naira wallet. I can say create, or let me do this, user Naira wallet create houses and array. So you create the user Naira wallet create, this is a single a, create, then you put the currency type. For Naira wallet, the currency type is 1. So if you want to create another currency, just copy this and put, you go back to your relationship, you can see that here you have coin wallet. So you change this stuff to coin wallet, then you change the currency type id to 2. That's if you want to create another one, but for now I'm sticking to 1. This is wallet, not a. So once this user has been created, he has a wallet now, then he'll be registered. Let's confirm that. So I've migrated already, my table is running. So I go back, John Doe, I put the referral code here. No referral code, I put the password, sorry. 12356 4578. So fillable currency type to match. So what I do here is I go to the wallet model and I put protected guarded. So this will draw an error for me now. So let me refresh, migrate fresh. So I've migrated fresh. I can refresh this. This is John Doe, john@gmail.com. I put the password and I submit. Currently the website have been loaded, so you can see now the wallet balance of this user is 0. So on the next video, this video is getting too long, we'll learn how to like fund the wallet with Paystack. So see you in the next video.